Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. Watch this full video to learn how to download your Instagram photos all at once.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon, in the top right corner. From the bottom, select Settings. From Settings, tap on Security. From Data and History section, tap on Download Data. Type in your email address. Then tap on Request Download. To confirm, enter your Instagram password. Then tap on Next, from the top right corner. That's it. Your request for downloading data is submitted. Within 48 hours, Instagram will email you all of your data including photos, comments and profile information. That's how you can download your Instagram photos for safekeeping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.